Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to buy USDT on Binance. For that you need to open your Binance mobile application and you need to make sure that you have a verified account on Binance. Once you have it, you need to tap on the more option that would be on the home page, and here in the recommended section select the second option of P2P. Once you do this, you will be landed on the P2P marketplace where we will use P2P section in order to purchase USDT. But before that, there are some settings that you need to do over here. First, in the top right hand corner, you will be able to see your own currency. So here you need to tap on it, and from this list you can change your currency, meaning that you can change it to your own currency and you can even change it to EUR, GBP or USD. Afterwards, you need to just tap on the USDT section, and here you need to make sure that USDT is selected over here since we want to purchase USDT. After that, you will be able to see all of the merchants from whom you can easily purchase USDT. So you need to select any of the merchants of your choice, but make sure that the merchant you select has this type of yellow badge right next to their profile. Now tap on the buy button right next to their profile that you see over here, and after tapping buy, you will be landed on this type of page where it will ask how do you want to purchase USDT, meaning by fiat or by crypto. Let me show you what is the difference between these two. If you select the fiat option, you can exchange your own currency in comparison to USDT. But if you select buy crypto, you can sell any of your crypto that you have in your account, and in exchange you can get USDT. Now in most of the cases you need to select buy fiat, in which you can select a payment method and you can basically purchase USDT. Here in the bottom you can also see the limit range, so you need to make sure that you enter the amount that is in this limit range. Now here you need to enter the amount of USDT that you want to purchase. Then you need to tap on the payment method option and select any of the payment methods of your choice depending on your country. Afterwards, tap on the place order option, and then you need to follow further on screen instructions in order to purchase USDT on Binance successfully. So that was it for this video. If this video helped you out, then don't forget to like for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.